You know what this video shows me? Discipline. All this is showing me is that dude with the jersey got nothing to lose. And the other dudes in the McLaren, I think that's a McLaren, got everything to lose and have all the self-control in the world. Because I can guarantee you, probably somewhere else in another time, that guy would have been sitting next to some of the New York Knicks who are no longer here with us, is all I'm saying. Shout out to them for keeping it cool though. Sometimes in the face of ignorance, this is what you gotta do. And although a lot of people might see it as, you're gonna let this dude embarrass you like that, this dude is embarrassing himself. He has to go home probably to a box that he lives in where I don't think you guys live the same life. Respectfully, of course. Sensational.